If you have got a business website and you want to increase the engagement and sales, then definitely, then one vital criteria for the customer is to clear their doubts before buying anything from your website. And believe me or not, the live chat option is the best thing you can implement on your website. And in this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can implement live chat feature for free in just 3 steps. So without any further ado, let's get started with this tutorial. So the very first thing that you need to do is to visit nirajkashyap.com/Tidio, or the link is given in the description, right? Visit the description and click on the link where it says nirajkashyap.com/go/Tidio Chat, and this will take you to the official website of Tidio. Here, you need to click on this Get Started for Free button, fill in the email ID, password, and your website address, and click on this check mark which you agree to the terms and conditions, and click on Get Started for Free. After that, it will take you through a series of questions where you need to answer each and every one so that the Tidio can understand what type of content is on your website and how they can give you the best experience for you. So once you have completed all the onboarding steps, you will be redirected to this website, that is Tidio's dashboard, where it will ask you to install it on your WordPress website. So now we have completed the very first step, which is the Tidio step. We have completed it, and now we need to work on WordPress, and then later we need to integrate and complete our step 3. So what is this step 2 on our WordPress website? You need to visit your WordPress website and log in with admin privilege. Please do keep in mind, you need the admin privilege only. Once you have logged in through your admin account, visit your dashboard. From the left side menu, click on plugins, click on add new plugin. Then in this search plugins, type Tidio, click on install, and then activate it. Once activated, you will find a new menu which says Tidio Chat on the left side bar. Click on it, and now it will ask you to either sign up or log in. I will click on login, and then it will ask you to integrate your website with Tidio. Now let's quickly do this. I will select my website and I will just click on this integrate button, and you get this welcome message where it says Tidio Chat has been installed. Now let's see whether Tidio has really been installed on our website by refreshing our website, and the chat should appear anywhere on the left side or the right side. Okay, here you can see that chat has appeared where it says live support, and if I click on it, it opens a beautiful chat box. So we have completed step 2 also, where we need to install the Tidio Chat on our WordPress website, and we have also integrated it on our WordPress website. So basically, our entire process is done, but there are few steps that you need to take care before proceeding any further. And to configure it, just click on this Open Tidio panel, and you will get a lot of options on how you can customize it according to your need and feel. You can customize the look, color, message, each and everything. You can also integrate the AI, which you get a 7-day free trial where you can try out, where the AI answers automatically to all the queries that your visitors have, and also the look and feel of this chat widget. You can also create a help desk or connect it through Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So in this video, we are not going to cover how we can customize or integrate with the third-party platforms like Instagram, WhatsApp. We are going to keep it very simple, as our motive was to install a live chat widget on our WordPress website, which we have done successfully, as you can see it here. So, and if you want more in-depth tutorial on how to get the best out of Tidio, how you can customize it to the best possibility, integrate with all the social network platform, then do check out the newsletter where I have shared all the details that you can cover. And it's very easy to join the newsletter. All you need to click on the link given in the description below where it says nirajkashyap.com/newsletter. Fill in your first name and your email ID. Click on this subscribe button. Once subscribed, you will receive email regarding all the topics that you want to cater or you want to upgrade your skills. Once subscribed, you will receive email newsletter either weekly or monthly depending on which topic you have chosen. And this email newsletter covers great information which helps you engage more with your audience, get more sales. And here is a sample email that you will receive from us where it says, welcome to Creators Newsletter. My name already mentioned as a logo. And here you can see Welcome to Creators Mail, and this are the things that we are going to discover, like SEO, affiliate marketing, email marketing, WordPress, e-commerce, dropshipping ads, digital marketing, and more. And sometimes I also do share some important links like the copy paste formula that makes me 14820 a day, or how you can join the pro community for free. And do subscribe to this channel if you want more related videos to all these topics that can help you get more sales, get great engagement without any bullshit. That's it guys for this video. I am Niraj Kashyap and I will meet you guys on my next video. Peace.